Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I produce videos on latest technologies, job vacancies, and scholarships from different universities and organizations. In the present video, I would like to talk about the most innovative devices of 2020. A quick roundup of some of the most innovative devices of the COVID-19 pandemic hit 2020. In India, we see thousands of new devices launched across categories every year. Most of these devices follow the ongoing trends, but it's only a handful that innovates and offers groundbreaking technology or feature. Here is a quick roundup of some of the most innovative devices of the year. In India, we see thousands of new devices launched across categories every year. Most of these devices follow the ongoing trends, but it's only a handful that innovates and offers groundbreaking technology or feature. Here is a quick round of some of the most innovative devices of the year. LG Wing. Foldable phones have been around since 2018. Even from Samsung also Fold 2 getting rave reviews this year. Apple iPhone 12 Pro. The iPhone 12 Pro and Pro Max come with not one but two innovations. Apple MacBook with M1. Apple has moved away from Intel processors and introduced its processor of MacBook this year with its M series of processor. The M1 processor is now available on MacBook Pro, MacBook Air and MacBook Mini. Apple MacBook with M1 SoC. Apple has moved away from Intel chipsets and introduced its own processor for MacBook this year with M series of SoC. DJI Osmo Pocket 2. DJI Osmo Pocket was a revolutionary product when it launched in 2018. In 2020, DJI launched the successor to it with the Pocket 2. DJI Osmo Pocket 2 was a revolutionary product when it launched in 2018. Sony PlayStation 5. The PlayStation 5 is Sony's next generation gaming console and it is set to change the console gaming experience with its features. Sony PlayStation 5. The PlayStation 5 is Sony's next generation gaming console. Samsung Zero. The Zero from Samsung is the first of its kind lifestyle TV with a QLED panel. Samsung Zero. Next to that, Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Fold. The X1 Fold from Lenovo brings foldable screens to the laptop. It is the first foldable PC to be available for consumers and offers a 13.3-inch foldable OLED display. Dell announces new Latitude precision laptops as well as OptiPlex modular desktop. Dell OptiPlex desktop prices. The Dell OptiPlex 3090 Ultra and OptiPlex 7090 Ultra will start from $659. It's roughly 50,000 rupees. Dell Latitude 9420 can be equipped with up to an 11th generation Intel Core i7 processor. Dell Latitude 7520 and 5420. Dell Precision 3560. OptiPlex 3090. These are the latest innovations. I hope I could give you the details of innovations in 2020 in the field of electronics. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like it, share among your friends and subscribe my channel. For the latest updates, please click on bell icon. Thank you very much.